Alrighty, that's just my Sara Lee classic pound cake into my 13 by 9. Now we are using our raspberry and lemon pie fillings. Get all this lemon out of here. This one's not coming out quite as easily. And these are two of my favorite fruit flavors, especially when they're together. I just absolutely love lemon and raspberry. And I'm gonna kind of just start mixing these together. We wanna get that raspberry spread throughout, some of that lemon incorporated, but this is gonna be gorgeous. Such an easy dessert. I just found out that my mother-in-law is gonna be coming over, and I whipped everything up with just stuff I had in my freezer and my pantry. Alrighty, and now I have some Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. Look, I had half of this left over from another recipe, and now I'm so excited actually that I'm gonna have company and I can put this to use because I hate wasting this no-bake cheesecake. It's so delicious, and you know, depending on what you're making, you might only need half the container. All right, we're just gonna give this a nice little spread. It's gonna marble in here with my raspberry pie filling, with my lemon meringue pie filling, and we're just gonna get this all incorporated. Alrighty, I'm just gonna set this aside for 1 second and bring in my bowl here. We're just gonna add a little bit of heavy whipping cream to this. Just use the rest of what's in here, just a little bit, not too much. Some powdered sugar, like the French say. And just a little teaspoon of vanilla. My mother-in-law loves vanilla. Alrighty, let's get this baby whipped up. Woo! Alrighty, that looks perfect. Okay, now we're just gonna bring this back in. Whoop, y'all, she's heavy. And I'm gonna put my beautiful whipped cream, homemade, right on top. Y'all, when I was a kid, my favorite TV show was Semi Homemade with Sandra Lee. Oh, I just loved her. She's so fantastic. And look, this is just semi-homemade. We homemade this whipped cream and we used everything else just from our pantry and freezer. Alrighty, we're just gonna finish this off with a little bit of lemon zest so people know it's a hint of the lemon within. And y'all, I had this lemon is sitting around too, so perfection. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this in my fridge for 1 hour and then we'll be ready for a sweet treat. Alrighty, it's been 1 hour, y'all. It is time to serve up this delicious treat. Oh, I can't wait to get in here. All these layers, that no-bake cheesecake, our Sara Lee classic pound cake, and our lemon and raspberry. Oh, and that homemade whipped cream right on top. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God, I thought I was gonna put this in a bowl, but I wish I put it on a plate so we could see those beautiful layers. Oh, that is so gorgeous. All right, I've got a special friend who's gonna give this a little taste test before my mother-in-law gets here. Jennifer.
I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can get like, oh, the layers on that. I'm so excited. Oh, the citrus, the cake, you gotta try it.
You hear that? You gotta try it.